Blockchain is a system of recording the information in a way that makes it difficult or impossible to change, hack, or cheat the system. Blockchain is a type of technology that uses private and the public networks to record and share the data in a way that makes it difficult or impossible to change, hack, or cheat the system. Blockchain has many other applications outside of the cryptocurrencies. It is important to note, however, that while blockchain provides a public record of the transactions, it does not necessarily provide a source of truth for the data it contains. A blockchain is a type of database that is made up of a series of blocks or the units of information that are connected or linked together in a chain. Each block has its own unique identifying number, which is called as hash. This hash, a concept from the cryptography, is what makes the chain unique and allows it to be reproduced if needed.